Hello friends, so today we're gonna discuss something about bakery. Yes, something about bakery. So as in these photos you can see different types of breads, different types of cakes, and in these two pictures you can see the bakery inside look of bakery, how the bakery look like. So let's get started. A bakery is an establishment that produces and sell flour based food baked in an oven. So basically all the flour based food which is baked in an oven in an establishment is called a bakery. So as you can see in this picture, a girl is sliding on a tray, I believe full of some flour based product, and she wants to bake them. So that's a simple bakery in those times. Yes, the art of baking was developed early during the Roman Empire. So if we talk, it was a highly famous art as the Roman citizens loved to bake the goods and demanded for them frequently. So as Roman Empire started the art of baking, they loved, and eventually it explodes over the Roman Empire. And lot of people loved to bake goods, and their demand of the baked goods increased over and over. So most of these baked goods demanded during the time of feast and weddings. Yes, so the next point, the oncoming demand for baked goods vigorously continued, as I've told, and the first Bakers Guild was established in 168 BC in Rome. So if we talk something about guild, what is a guild? So guild is an association of artisans and merchants who oversee the practices of their craft or trade in a particular area. So in simple language, if I explain what guild is, so a guild is basically a group of people, almost 20 to 30 people I believe. So those people only concentrate, only devotee towards an art. So in this, the first Bakers Guild, so the first guild of bakery is established in 168 BC in Rome. So there, how from there the bakers, the bakery things, the baked products like come into existence more and more, and the world get to know about the baked thing. So the world's oldest oven was discovered in Croatia in 2014, which date back to 6500 years ago. So that's the first bakery baked item, I believe, oven which we have dated. So different types of bakery products, as they are mentioned. So different types of bakery products are bread, bread rolls, flatbreads, donuts, muffins, cupcakes, cakes, pastries, cookies, biscuits, brownies, tart, pie, etc. So these are number of baked goods mentioned here, and many more are there in the list. So that's all for the day, guys. I hope you gained a knowledge of something. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. So that's all for the day, guys. Keep cooking, keep plating, and keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye.